Welcome guys to another stunning Linux tutorial. In this guide we will show you how you can install Android Studio IDE on Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish. With Android Studio you can develop Android apps right on your Ubuntu machines. This is going to be very interesting. Let's see how to install Android Studio on Ubuntu wisely. Open Terminal app on your Ubuntu. Update your Linux package index. The next step is to install Java on Ubuntu. We will install Java through OpenJDK as shown. This is a mandatory component for Android Studio to run on any Linux machine. You can see the Java JDK is successfully installed. Let's now add the Android Studio PPA repository for Ubuntu 22.04. Add it as shown. Once done adding, update the package index once more. You can now install Android Studio as shown. You will need to wait for a while till the Android Studio installed is downloaded and installed afterwards. This can take a couple of minutes and depends on your internet connection speeds wisely. We will fast forward the video for your convenience. It's done. Android Studio is successfully installed on Ubuntu 22.04 Jammy Jellyfish. You can start it from the application menu. Initially, you will be required to download Android emulator and Android SDK files. This is a one-time process and can take a while. Please have patience during this. Android Studio is here. It's successfully installed and working flawlessly on Ubuntu Jammy Jellyfish. Start your Android coding journey right from Ubuntu. Happy coding!